here. I'm going to show you how to just put the basic retail therapy box together. This is the die that will make the shop front. So once we've done the shop front, you can accessorize with all the lovely little details that are added into the die set. So I've just got the two main pieces that we need to cut. Now I've got the outer piece, which is, this will create your box, and then the inner piece, which will create the window and the shop front shelf. You'll also want to cut yourself a card base, sort of A5 in size or slightly smaller. So I've just popped those to one side. Now I've already cut out the shop front, and you see I've lined the die up in the centre, as you can see, like that, and just reinforced all the score lines. So you need to fold the bottom up, your sides up and in, and then again on this fold. Now the centre piece, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back, and then you're going to fold it again where you've got your notches, and then again where the next lot of notches is. On the front of the die, this top bit, this will create your awning. You want to fold it down and then just fold again, and then you've got your little sort of trim at the bottom. Now there are decorative pieces that you can add onto here, so you can do your different colour awnings and everything. These little pieces here are for slotting in the little accessory hanging baskets. So the first thing we're going to do is, I've just put some tape on, and we're going to just fold this up and line these edges to make a corner. We're going to stick, let's just get that to stick there. Same on this side, just line that up and stick. Now this section where you can see we've folded it, what we're going to do is fold it down, and you'll notice that you've got a slit here. Once you've folded it all, this slit, you just slide this piece of card through, and that creates so that your card will stand up. It gives it just that little bit more support. Now that is basically your shop front done. So you can see it's already taken shape. So all we're going to do is pop that onto a card base. Now I've cut this down to about the right height, and I've just left a little section on either side. An A5 fits fine as well, but I would line it up with the bottom just so that it gives you a little bit more stability when you stand your card up. So I've already put tape on these two sections. And make sure that's in the right place. Make sure that's tucked in properly. I'll bring my card in. I'm going to line this up with the bottom of my card base. I'm trying to get it as straight as I can. And that's it. That's your main card done. Now you can decorate with as many accessories as you want. I've got the little shelf cut out here, and this is for the, just to slot into that section there, and you can glue it in. Now there are little tiny slits in here, and each of your accessories, you'll notice that have got little tiny tabs on them. This is so that they can slot into these little dash lines, and you can arrange your shop window however you want to do. So I'll just stick a little bit of tape on here and stick this in, and then that'll be our shop front complete. I'll just slot that in and line that up, and there you can see that you've got your little shop front there.